How guys, you been feeling down today? We're gonna be doing some more Naruto Storm. Oh, wait a minute, let me try it again. Crap, I gotta be quick with these things. He opened up them eyes. He was like, yoy! And then Kakashi came in and he was like, not today! And then he was like, yoy yoy! Ah! Crap, I'm not doing that much damage, but I mean, whatever. I gotta be quick with this stuff. Act like, yeah, like that. Yo, I think this man messed with the power outlet. I mean power socket. He messed with the power socket. That's what happens. This is why you don't mess with power sockets, kids.
Release!
Kakashi, Obito.
We're here to save you, Rin. You're safe now. You rescued the hostage and let your guard down. Don't you think it's a bit early to relax, you little leaf brat? Earth-style Rockbreaker! This is bad. Run to the exit.
Take that from that. And then this is the part when,
Are you okay, Rin? Kakashi?
this is when Obito got crushed by the rock. That's how his face was messed up.
Don't bother. It's no use, Kakashi. I think I'm done for. Obito!
No! Why? Obito!
Damn it! Why? If I had listened to you when you first said we should go after Rin, then this would never have happened. Some leader, some Jonin I am. Oh yeah, I forgot. I never gave you a gift to congratulate you on becoming a Jonin, Kakashi. I've been trying to come up with something good, and just now I got an idea. And don't worry, it's not some lame gift you can't use. I want you to have my Sharingan. And I don't care what people back home say. You are a great Jonin. And I truly believe that. Take this, please. Going time now. But I'll become one of your eyes. I'll see what the future holds. Green. Go. More reinforcements are coming.
But we don't.
Just go. Rain.
Earth style! Earthquake slam!
Rain, grab onto me, quick!
So I have to like press some button to lift Reen up.
Damn it. Kakashi. Protect Green.
Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Let's go!
Am I dead?
No.
Wait.
Looks like you're awake.
Sensei, why?
This kunai is a marker for my transportation technique.
What about the enemies?
I took care of them.
What about Reed? Where's Reed?
I'm sorry I didn't make it in time, Kakashi. Reen told me everything.
The third great ninja war. This long, drawn-out conflict came to an end after taking the lives of many nameless ninja. At the same time, it carved the names of a number of heroes into ninja history. The Battle of Kanabi Bridge. On that day, two heroes were born in the Hidden Leaf Village, each with their own Sharingan. The name of one is carved on a tombstone, while the other is known far and wide as Kakashi of the Sharingan. However, with the passage of time, even tales of heroism can unfold into cold, heartless reality. The fighting, the pain, the hatred. It goes on and on, forever.
And I promise you, every single time every single time I saw that freaking moment when Obito died, it was a sad moment for me. I thought that it was really sad. So yeah. So we got two. Wait, no way! We're gonna step up to that? Okay. So, that one is called In Hell. That's what it's called. So we're gonna be going to the netherworld. But finally we get to go to that. Awesome. So, But we're not going to that next time. Next time we're going to this. And the reason why I didn't do another mission is because I wanted to get on balance, because all my other videos that I've uploaded, it was like I was putting other missions into like the end of other missions until the last video, so I'm not going to do that. And so look at this one. This one is one of them, so I'll probably be able to do this, or at least a little bit of it. And this, I actually don't know which one this is, but I mean, whatever. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Crap, I almost choked. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.